Hello, this is Nathan, and today we'll be doing Biolog 3rd grade worksheet lesson 28. And for section 1, it's going to cover perimeter, and we'll be doing the odd problems today. So for number 1, we have a square has sides of 4 cm, and what that means is on every side of the square, it's going to be 4 centimeters long. And to find the perimeter, you just have to add all 4 sides, and we know that each side is 4 cm, so you'll be just doing 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. And if you add all that together, you should get 16. So the square that has sides of 4 cm for each one is going to have a perimeter of 16 cm. For number 3, we have a triangle has sides 5, 6, and 7, and this is basically the same thing as the square. When finding the perimeter, you just add the sides. So we have 5 cm, 6 cm, and 7 cm. So you're just doing 5 plus 6, 6 plus 7, 5 plus 6 is 11, and then 11 plus 7 is 18. So the triangle has a perimeter of 18 cm. Number 5, a square has sides of 9. This is going to be the same as problem 1, except it being 4 cm long. Each side is 9 cm long, so this is 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9 is 18, plus another 9 becomes 27. Then 27 plus 9, that equals to 36. And then section 2 is going to be time, or telling time. For number 7, what time is 1 hour after 3 o'clock? You're just adding because it's saying 1 hour, you just add the 1 to the 3 because that's the hour section. And 3 plus 1 is 4, so an hour after 3 is 4 o'clock. Number 9, what time is 30 minutes after 5:30? You're just adding 30 minutes to 5:30, and that will be in the 30 section here because the minutes. And 30 plus 30 becomes 60, and 60 is 1 hour. So you just you now bring the 1 over to the 5, which is the hour section. So it becomes 6. So it will be 6 o'clock. Number 11, what time is 1 hour before 9 o'clock? You're just subtracting an hour from the 9, and then that would become 8 o'clock. For section 3, it will be on elapsed time. Number 13, a movie starts at 2 o'clock and it ends at 4 o'clock. How long is the movie? So you could just do 4 o'clock minus 2 o'clock because you just subtract the hours here. So 4 minus 2, you will just get 2 hours. So the movie is 2 hours long. 15, a game starts at 1:15 and ends at 2:15. How long does it last? You could just do 2:15 minus 1:15. And then you'll be just left with 1 o'clock. So I guess this is basically 1 hour, so the game lasted 1 hour. Number 17, a class starts at 10 o'clock, ends at 11:45. How long is the class? Just do 11 minus 45 minus 10. And you'll be left with the 45. So the class is 45 minutes long. And then section 4, next practice. Find the perimeter of a rectangle with length 10 cm and the width 5 cm, which basically means this part, the length, the top, they're saying it's 10 cm long, and then they're saying the width, this part is 5 cm long, and we're gonna have to find the perimeter, so we have to add each side, and we know this part here is 10 and this part is 5, so this is just 10 plus 5 plus 10 plus 5. And 10 plus 5 is 15, so if you do 15 plus 15, that equals to 30. So the perimeter of this rectangle would be 30 cm. And number 21, find the perimeter of a square with side 7 cm. That just basically means each side of this square is going to be 7 cm long. And to find the perimeter of the square, you just add all four sides. And we know each side of the square is 7 cm, so 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. We know 7 plus 7 is 14, so if you do 14 plus 14, that equals to 28. So the perimeter of the square is 28 cm. And 23, a movie starts at 3 o'clock, ends at 5 o'clock. How long is it? Just do 5 o'clock minus 3 o'clock. You'll be left with 2 o'clock, and that's 2 hours, so the movie is 2 hours long. And now we have word problems. Number 25, a garden is shaped like a rectangle, and it has a length of 12 cm and a width of 12 meters and a width of 5 meters. So the length here is it's 12 meters, and then the width 5 meters. And we're looking for the perimeter, so we're going to add each side. So this is just going to be 5 plus 12 plus 5 plus 12. And 5 plus 12 is 17, so we do 17 plus 17, and then you get 34. So the perimeter of this rectangle would be 34 meters. 27, a square playground has sides of 15 meters. This is basically just each side is 15 meters of the square, and we just have to add all four sides. So this would be 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15. And we know 15 plus 15 is 30, so we then do 30 plus 30, then we get 60. So the perimeter of this square playground is 60 meters. At 29, a runner runs around the track with sides 6 meters, 6 meters, 8 meters, and 8 meters. This is basically a rectangle with the top and bottom being the longer side, so it'll be 8 meter, 8 meter, and then the width being the shorter side, 6 cm, 6 cm, and then we need a total distance, so we're going to add all four of these sides. So this will just be 6 plus 8 plus 6 plus 8, and 6 plus 8 is equal to 14, and then 14 plus 14, that equals to 28. The total distance of this track is 28. Why did I write cm? It will be 28 meters. So yeah, it will be 28 meters, the total distance. And that's for today. Thanks for watching.